All right then, guys. Where we at, Dakota?
We are in, it's Blue Whale, ain't it?
Yeah.
Blue Whale.
In Blue Whale, Mercer County, West Virginia.
Gathered from a separate yard that's moving to another yard. We're getting like 8 out of here because there's too many here, and putting those in the same yard that these would go to.
So we're moving bees today.
We're moving bees.
Moving bees today. That's what we're gonna do for the first part of the morning. So it is Saturday, May the 18th, 2024. And it is 6:54 a.m. The temperature is 57 degrees. We're gonna move some bees. He's got them plugged up. And, we're just gonna move some bees over Chandler. There we go. All right then, we're gonna get these bees. All right then, guys, we made it down to our undisclosed location somewhere in undisclosed. I'm not going to tell y'all where that's at. It's we're trying to respect some privacy up here. Yeah, so we're going to set these bees up and fix this yard up. It's going to be pretty cool. Let's hop into a time lapse because you're not going to get sitting on a couch.
Excited to announce that we are opening our 6th yard. It appears to be a really good spot. It's tough to get to, but it gets sun all day. It seems like sun rises right there and just goes over top of us, pretty much.
Yeah,
all day. Hopefully it'll be a good spot.
Looks good, man. We got them starting in here. Looks like you can get a few more in here, but cap off at 20. All right then, guys, we're gonna move on to the next yard. I gotta go pull some honey and do some inspections and treatments today. I got my brother with me. He gonna help me do some stuff. He got his truck down here. Look at his truck. He put a bed on him, truck. Ooh, now him truck got a bed on him. Ooh, we put more bee boxes on that bed. All right then, guys, we're back up here in Crumpler, West Virginia, and it is 11:12 a.m. still, Saturday the 18th of May. We're gonna pull some honey at this yard and do some oxalic dribbles and inspections while we're here. Hopefully we can get through here pretty quick, move on to some other stuff. But we're gonna jump into some videos, doing some bees, pulling some honey and all that good stuff, so keep kicking it with us. All right then. Are we recording? Well, yes, we are. All right, guys, we came through, added a bunch of boxes in this yard. We pulled a bunch of honey in this yard, and what we come up with, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, probably like
It's about
13 or there's probably about 15 supers because of all the deeps.
Yeah.
So we got some deeps full of honey, like 4 full and 1 partial. So we could probably ring that up to about 15 more or so. 14, 15 more boxes. All right then, guys, you're not gonna get it sitting on the couch. We're gonna close up here and take this down to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and
Stay for the night job, though?
what?
You gonna stay for the night job?
Nope. Drop it off at the cooler, and we'll be ready to spend some next week. All right then, yard's looking all right, except for the actual yard, but the bees are looking all right. All right then. All right then, guys, check it out. It's my second honey harvest of 2024, sorry, and it is May. So second harvest in May. I've got 27 boxes. Some of them are deep. That deep's not all the way full, but yeah, pretty good harvest. Got this row, this stack, and this stack. So not too bad. 27 more. All right then. You're not gonna get it sitting on the couch. Don't let Charlie Shrew see my bee yards. All right then.